Oh, they put 2 layers of it.
What is it, Ruby?
There.
Wow, a book.
What's it called?
Do you know what it's called? Fairy houses. Do you see the little girl looking at the fairies? And see the butterfly? Pretty book, huh? That's nice. Oh, look, Ruby, open the page. Let Mommy see. What's that?
No.
That's a deer.
Deer.
What's that? Oh my goodness.
Fuzzy.
What's this, Ruby?
No.
What's that?
You wanna turn.
What is this?
You wanna turn.
A squirrel.
So.
What's this?
No. No.
No, what's this?
No, Fibbit.
A fribbit.
Fibbit. No, Fibbit.
What's this?
Birdie.
Yeah.
And look, he's giving the baby birdie some food.
Do you like your book? Ruby, say thank you, Grandmom and Grandpop.
Thank you, Grandpa.
And Grandmom.
And
Grandma.
There's that way down there.
Birds.
George.
Look at the camera, Ruby. Can you look up at the camera? Say thank you, Grandmom.
They go down,
And Grandpop.
And hi, Grandpa. Thank you, Grandpa.